Today we are going to learn about Citrullus colocynthis. It is a medicinal plant. Citrullus colocynthis is also known by the name of bitter apple, indrayan, or wild gourd. In Hindi and Sanskrit, it is also known as indravaruni, besides indrayan. It is a perennial or an annual climber. It means that depending on the climatic conditions, it can be either perennial, that is, it grows throughout the year, or it can be annual, it grows in only a specific season and then it dies out. And depending on availability of support, it can be a creeping or a spreading vine or a climber. It is a plant of arid regions, particularly it is a desert plant and it is highly drought tolerant. Today we are discussing about Citrullus colocynthis. So the fruit pulp of this plant and its roots are the most widely used parts as far as medicinal purpose is concerned. It cures gastrointestinal problems because it acts as a purgative, as a laxative, and because of its laxative and purgative properties, it is used to treat severe constipation and also to drive out intestinal worms. It is used in the case of liver problems because it can cure problems like jaundice. In case of problems of spleen, there is a problem where there is enlargement of spleen. So, Citrullus colocynthis provides relief. It also provides relief in certain rheumatic disorders like joint pain. Cucurbitacins are the terpenoids present in Citrullus colocynthis. These are the phytochemicals or secondary metabolites which give this medicinal plant its medicinal properties. The market demand both in India and in the international market is high and consistent. Various Ayurvedic formulations like indravaruni is used. It is used in various polyherbal formulations. The seed oil is used for hair growth and joint pain. Fruit pulp is consumed in various forms because of its purgative properties and anthelmintic properties. The root is used to treat various disorders of liver like jaundice, rheumatism, ascites. Ascites is the retention of fluid in the abdomen. The propagation of Citrullus colocynthis is generally done by seeds, but we should keep in mind that because it is a desert plant, it cannot tolerate wet and waterlogged conditions, and also it cannot tolerate frost. The harvesting of fruits is done when they are mature, and the change in color of the fruit to yellow indicates the maturity of fruit. From the fruit, pulp is extracted and later processed. This plant, Citrullus colocynthis, is highly toxic because the fruit pulp has high concentration of cucurbitacins. These are the terpenoids, and overconsumption or unsupervised consumption may result in various side effects like severe diarrhea, bloody diarrhea, intestinal damage. It is also known to be an abortifacient, that is, it induces abortion. Because it is toxic in nature, its cultivation, consumption, sale is regulated in many countries, but as such, it is not prohibited. The field identification is possible through its stem, which is angular and rough. The leaves are deeply lobed and they are also rough. The flowers are monoecious. It means the female and the male flowers are different in structure, but they are present on the same plant. The flowers are solitary and yellow in color. The fruit, which is the most important part of this plant, is spherical. It has dry, spongy, and white colored pulp. That was all about Citrullus colocynthis. Thank you.